Na+, so suppose you're taking sodium chloride, it is called Na plus Cl minus. Here, Na and Cl are reactants. I call it reactants. And you put the arrow mark on the products. NaCl. Get the product. Okay. Like this, you have to write the equations. So I'll give some example for some equations. Okay, I'll give some examples like this. So if you take water, what is water? When water will be getting
H2O.
H2O. What is we get? H2O. Hydrogen. Symbol for water is hydrogen plus oxygen. Oxygen, you write only O2. Oxygen, you write only O2, oxygen. It gives what? H2O. H2O. But see here, while writing these chemical equations, the chemicals are not balanced. So here, one hydrogen is here, but two hydrogen is there. So hydrogen, what is hydrogen? Is also diatomic molecule. H2 plus O2 gives H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Now, how many oxygen is there?
Sir,
Yes. Yes, pa.
sir, due to some network problem, I left and joined again, sir.
Kami also
Obviously, sir.
Kami also same problem, ma. Like 2 H2 plus O2 gives H2O.
No, sir, I left and joined again, sir.
Okay, Kavesi. H2O. H2 plus O2. So you see here, I want to balance this means we want to balance the equations. Balancing is very important here. So in 9th standard, you are going to see at the read up this balancing. What is the balancing of the equations? So first of all, we must write the equations here. We must write the equations here. Yeah. I write the equations here. What the types of equations here? You have to write H2 plus O2 is H2O. Okay, so if you put 2 H2O, 2 means it becomes 2H2O. See here, 2 is a 4 hydrogen and 1 oxygen will be there, balanced there. Like this, you want to balance the equations. Balancing equation is very, very important in your 10th standard. What are the reactions you have it read in the 9th standard also, you have to go into balancing the equations. So before going to balancing the equations, you must know about reactants. Reactants gives products. Reaction gives products. Reactant in the sense more than one A plus B gives AB. That's a simple equation. A plus B gives AB. A will be on joining A plus B, it gives AB. It is simple combination reaction. Simple combination reaction. Yeah, see, carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Simply we can add this. Okay. Some reactions. So chemical reactions may be different number of types. So you know what is exothermic and endothermic reactions? Just I'm giving glance only. What is the exothermic and endothermic? What is the mean exo? What is the exo?
Sir, out.
Out. Exo means exit means out. Exo. So sometimes during the chemical reactions, heat will be liberated. Heat will be liberated. That is called exothermic reaction. For example, we take a whitewashing powder, we call calcium carbonate. கடையில் போய் சுண்ணாம்பு வாங்கிருக்கீங்களா? சுண்ணாம்பு பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? சுண்ணாம்புன்னு பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
சுண்ணாம்பு வந்து வாட்டர் கரைச்சா என்ன ஆகும்? What will happen to you? If you dissolve the calcium carbonate, that is called calcium carbonate. What will happen? கை விடாத கை விட்டினா கை ஓட்டை ஆயிடும் விடாதுன்னு அந்த அளவு ஹீட் வில் பி லிபரேட்டட். ஹீட் வில் பி லிபரேட்டட். ஸோ சும்மா சுண்ணாம்பு எடுத்து பவுடர் எடுத்து நீ தண்ணியில் கொண்டாவே அப்படியே பொங்கி வரும். ஹீட்டோட எக்ஸஸ் அதிகமாக இருக்கும். So wherever the equation that gives out heat is called as exothermic reaction. எங்கெல்லாம் வந்து ஹீட் வெளியில கொடுக்குது அது called as exothermic reaction. The reactions which gets heat is called as endothermic reaction. For cooking, they are giving heat, no? Then only the substance will be cooked. So it is endothermic reaction. It is endothermic reaction. Some reactions will take as only the endothermic reactions. Okay, endothermic reaction. Exothermic. What is the thermic? Endothermic, exothermic. So what is the thermic meaning of thermic? Wait. I mean by the thermic meaning.
Sir, heat.
Thermic means thermal. Thermic means heat. So exo means outside heat given outside. Endo means heat taken inside. Okay. So don't forget this exothermic endothermic reactions.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the type of reaction. This is the type of reactions here. So this is basic equation. So other than this, we are having many more types of reactions are there. Yeah. So simple combination is called combination reaction. Thus they will combine. Sometimes displacement reaction will take place. They will displace the bases. Sometimes decomposition. Decomposition means one product will give two products. One reactant will give two or more products. Okay, that is decomposition. Yeah. Displacement itself, there are two types. Double displacement reactions are there. So these are some examples of the types of reactions. So see, if you can write types of reaction means. So types of reaction and another types of reactions. Types of reactions. First one, you can write exothermic, endothermic. Basic exothermic to endothermic reaction. Endothermic combination reaction. Combination reaction. 4. Displacement reaction. 5. Decomposition reaction. What பண்ணிக்கலாம் decomposition reaction. Yeah. Then you can write oxidation reaction. Then we can write reduction reaction. These are some types of reactions we are going to see. Other than this, there are more many other reactions are there. But basically, it is enough for you for now. So, types of reactions, if we take types of reactions, we can write as exothermic, endothermic, combination, displacement, decomposition reaction, oxidation reaction, and the reduction reactions. So, oxidation reaction in the sense, addition of oxygen is called oxidation. Reduction in the sense, removal of oxygen is called reduction reactions. We can say two ways. Reduction reaction, addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is called as reduction reaction. Removal of oxygen is called reduction reaction. They have oxidation. Addition of oxygen is called oxidation reaction, or removal of hydrogen is also called as the oxidation reaction. Electrons. We take electrons also. It is comes under the addition of electrons or oxidation reactions. Say addition of electrons or oxidation reactions. Removal is called as the reduction reactions. That we see in next year the 10th lab. So this is type of reactions. This is the type of reactions here. Okay. So exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, combination reaction, displacement, decomposition, and oxidation reduction reactions are there. Okay. So now you can know about the types of reactions you know about. So now you know we are clear about some symbols. You know clear about some elements, some compounds also you must know. So you up to now you know about the elements. Some elements are like carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and all you can know it. But as a compound, you know some compounds like water, H2O, carbon dioxide, you know, which are calcium carbonate, you know, carbon monoxide, CO, you know. So some compounds. So you are going to make the compounds also in the chemistry. So each and every compounds reacts with each other and forms a new new form of compounds or new form of elements also it can form. So depending upon the different types of equations, we are going to write the equations in this is in the tensional portion. So just I give introduction. What are the types of reactions there? So in chemistry, we take chemistry. What are you going to read about chemistry? Okay, just half minute only more. We can